Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Squash 6ixBoss. Big breeze up in a them town. Them boy they have to go pay a dude. People, Squash 6ixBoss life in a danger. Squash 6ixBoss under heavy pressure. People, the feds them have Squash 6ixBoss away. By now, everybody supposed to know, say, Squash 6ixBoss plea guilty. And now Squash 6ixBoss in the feds them custody. And Squash 6ixBoss supposed to go court November 24th. Where Squash 6ixBoss are going to get sentence. And him are going to know in faith. So people, Squash 6ixBoss wife come out and write a letter to the judge, a beg for mercy. Squash 6ixBoss wife, a beg for mercy for Squash 6ixBoss. The judge received a letter from Squash 6ixBoss and Squash 6ixBoss family. I beg for the judge have mercy. The lawyer where Squash 6ixBoss have out here, I beg the judge as well. I ask the judge, say, if Squash 6ixBoss can get less than 2 years in a prison. The lawyer and the wife out here, I beg for Squash 6ixBoss. The lawyer make we know, say, after Squash 6ixBoss doing time in a prison, him still have immigration time to do as well. So after Squash 6ixBoss doing time in a federal prison, the feds them a go hold on upon him, and then him a go in a feds custody, and them a go decide if them a go deport him, go back to Jamaica, if them a go send him to El Salvador, or them a go send him to South Africa. So Squash 6ixBoss no know him fate right now. But right now, Squash 6ixBoss fate in a limbo. Squash 6ixBoss under pressure. Squash 6ixBoss stress out right now. The artists are got through a whole bunch of pressure right now. Jump Out TV production telling you. So when the feds run in and nothing good. So Squash 6ixBoss wife write a letter to the judge, and I make the judge know, say, Squash 6ixBoss is a good father. Squash 6ixBoss is a father to 5 kids. And right now, the kids them miss them father. There's a big void in the family where Squash 6ixBoss missing. The kids them stress out. The wife and make the judge know, say, Squash is a father where encourage him youth them, support him youth them, provide for him youth them. The man there, every parents, teachers, meeting. The man support him kids them, even from the sideline. The wife and make the judge know, say, Squash is humble. Squash is calm. Squash is a good person. Because remember, the feds them don't have it. Say Squash 6ixBoss is a transnational gang leader. But Squash 6ixBoss wife out here and make the judge know in the letter say Squash 6ixBoss is a good person. Right now, Squash 6ixBoss wife under pressure. Squash 6ixBoss wife desperate. Them a try everything to see if Squash 6ixBoss can get a less sentence. At the end of the day, Squash 6ixBoss plead guilty and accept a plea deal from the feds. So at the end of the day, it's up to the judge and the judge discretion to see how much years him a go give Squash 6ixBoss in a prison. Remember, Squash 6ixBoss plead guilty for be a undocumented immigrant, mean to say illegal in the United States of America and come through the border. Also, Squash 6ixBoss plead guilty for being an illegal person with a firearm. See, that charges them. So squad 6-bar charges them can run up to 8 to 10 to 15 to 20 years in a prison. So because him accept a plea deal and him never waste the court time, he never waste the feds time, so the feds grant him a deal and decide say them a go talk to the judge for squash 6-bars. But now squash 6-bars lawyer and the wife out here act like say them want go round the feds. Act like say them want less time than where them feel to say squash 6-bars deserve. And I act like them want go round the feds, which the feds them can take away back the deal or take the deal off of the table. Remember, say them agree upon a deal. So all squash 6-bars to do I go to court and hope for the judge have mercy. But in this case, squash 6-bars wife I beg for the judge to have mercy upon squash 6-bars. The lawyer say the tool that squash 6-bars have, and now squash 6-bars turn it into a trip Glock. Remember, squash 6-bars is an illegal alien, undocumented alien with a 9mm chip Glock, where the 9mm chip Glock is also a machine gun where no civilian not supposed to have. Plus, you're not supposed to tamper with no gun. You're not supposed to mess with it. And the chip Glock, actually, the chip turn the gun into a machine gun, which is illegal in the United States of America. So they want the person who in get the chip Glock for. Plus, the gun when have the chip Glock, it buy in a wife name and the wife buy a game. So even though the wife buy illegal, squash 6-bars is actually illegal. So I'm not supposed to have no weapon because he's illegal in the United States of America. So the lawyer try to make the judge know say squash 6-bars is not a transnational gang leader, that them put in the letter. So the wife and the lawyer out here try everything to see if they can get the judge to have compassion, if them can get the judge to have mercy. But at the same time, writing a letter like that to the judge and act like you want to take the system for idiot, act like you want to take the prosecution for fool, and act like you want to take the feds for fool, it can work against squash 6-bars. So them have to know what them a do. Because at the end of the day, when the feds come out and say squash 6-bars is a transnational gang leader, them have every information from Jamaica, and them know about the G City gang, they know about the 6 camp, and they know say 6 is in Florida. Also 6 camp is also in Trinidad and Tobago, and 6 in Jamaica as well. So it better you go in front of the judge and admit say you're wrong, admit say you make a mistake, admit say you need a second chance, admit say you want to change your ways, admit say you mess up, versus try to take the judge for idiot, versus try to take the prosecutor for idiot or the feds for idiot. Them been there, done that. Plus them been have surveillance per squash 6-bars. So at the end of the day, everything where the lawyer say plus where the wife say, me I wonder if them take the feds say fool. If them feel like say the feds are fool, after the feds them go court and get search warrant and then get subpoena where them actually have squad 6-bars phone. Them have all of the text message them. Seeing all of the phone call we make from Chrome facility to different people, over 300 phone call, which the judge are going to listen to. All of the text message, all of the picture, all of the video, the judge have all of that there information there. So it's up to the judge if he might go have sympathy, if he might go have mercy. But at the end of the day, don't behave like you want to take the judge for fool, or you want to take the system for fool, or you want to play upon the judge emotion. Yes, the judge knows the kids involved, family involved, but if you no respect your family and you no care about your family, the judge not go care about you or your family. Also, all of the information from Jamaica where Squash 6ixBoss get locked up already in the state of emergency and take away himself from Jamaica and end up in the United States of America. Then he might go make songs saying run we left how much body down at Jamaica. And you know by now Jump Out TV production been a telling you so no lyrics on the song will be used against you in the court of law. Just like how Squash 6ixBoss have some song on him YouTube with the same chip Glock and them song there and the music video there. The feds use it against him. See, so all of them information did it in a song when do down at Jamaica saying run where left how much body down at Jamaica. Plus, the feds them don't have every information. We don't know say Dr. Harris Chang work with the feds them. We know say Andrew Holness work with the feds them because any gangster were left from Jamaica and they overseas and send back to God Jamaica, Andrew Holness want them as well. So the United States government and Jamaican government done a work together. Squash 6ixBoss put it in a song saying run we left how much body down at Jamaica. All of them body there when saying run we left down at Jamaica. All of them dopey there when saying run we left down at Jamaica. Them a go get the whole of them the files there. Them have the whole of them the information there already. So how you go tell the judge them say you're not a transnational gang leader when the gang start in a Montego Bay, St. James, and end up in the United States of America, end up in Florida, end up in Trinidad and Tobago, plus whole heap of foot soldier out there and lose them life. Whole heap of foot soldier out there get caught up. Remember Jman get caught up too and a face 2 count as well. Jman have for him case a one where the Jamaican government and the American government are going to work together. So Jman I got testify against Shopdan for him baby mother we get dashed with allegedly by Shopdan to fly them. So the two government work hand in hand. So the Jamaican government want to lock up Shopdan. Jman is a key witness in other case there. So Jman I go work with the Jamaican government for sing Shopdan, and then the Jamaican government I go talk to the American government system to give Jman less time. So Jman no get the life sentence. Because Jman no work with Jamaica and take the plea deal, he might go get the life sentence. So Jman I go help sing Shopdan, and then the Jamaican government I go talk to the American government so that Jman no get the life sentence. And because Jman no want the life sentence, Jman I go snitch past Squash 6ixBoss away. So the whole of the information done did it. That's why the feds cut Squash 6ixBoss a plea deal. The reason why the feds give you a plea deal is because them know so them have a open and shut case, slam dunk, then miss. So when the feds now bring you in a room and bring you whole of the information in front of you, the feds now go lose. The feds have a 90% conviction rate. The feds them no lose case like that. And the reason why them have a 90% conviction rate is because them do them homework. Them make sure them watch you. Them a go bug your phone. Them a go bug your tablet, computer, everything. Them a go get subpoena from the judge. She get all information. Them a go have you under surveillance. Them a go have people a watch you, a drive round with you, and a follow you all over the place. Them will watch you all 5 to 10 years, even longer before them run in. But when them run in, it's because them cross all of them T and dot all of them I. When them run in, them have every information, phone call, text message, photo, video, pictures, everything. Them are gonna have everything against you. So them been a what squad 6ixBoss. Remember, say the FEDS say them have a former member from the 6 camp I work with them. So a person did inform. Everybody by now know say Jman lock up and know Jman situation. Plus Jman no have no money to get no good lawyer or get no big lawyer. So Jman have a public representative. So Jman now have to go do when have to do. Fi see fi him net back. So Jman a think about himself. Remember, every man bad till them go in front of the judge. Every man bad till the feds run in. When Jman realize say where them hold him pan at the death penalty him a go get. Plus one of the worst state fi get caught up in a Florida. Jman a look pan the death penalty fi Musselman and Fort Lord we get dirt. Scene, remember them have Jman DNA pan the scene, plus them have him pan surveillance camera, door camera and regular camera, stoplight camera. Plus when Jman go at the hospital after he get shot, the doctor them have to call the police. How the United States of America work, once you find yourself where you get shot and go to the hospital, the doctor them by law have to call police. So once the police them go now, them see Jman get shot, Jman DNA they on the crime scene, a Musselman and Fort Lord, plus him in the same outfit where they on the camera. So all of that match, plus DNA is 100%, plus video. Seeing so right there, so Jman gone, clear. Them have him DNA on the scene I crying. Plus, them have him pan video. Plus, when them do ballistic, the gunpowder them off of the bullet, they pan him clothes as well. The residue and everything. Plus, enough of them youth here. When them a load the clip, enough of them no know say your fingerprint a go up on the bullet. When you load the mag, you have to make sure you load it with the gloves. So most of them man take up badness, them no know rules and regulation, and they don't know how to do certain things. So Jman at the end of the day, I look pan a death penalty. So he can't think about squad 6ixBoss, safety or loyalty. He have to think about himself. So Jman a go do what's best for Jman. So Jman a go snitch. Jman a go talk. Also, when Jman case come up, Jman can snitch and squash 6ixBoss involved in that case there as well. So you know look good past squad 6ixBoss. So after he go do him time in a prison, he can find himself in a immigration custody after. And if Jman case call up and Jman have to snitch, say a squad 6ixBoss are the leader, a squad 6ixBoss give them the go ahead. A problem there so again. So anything where the foot soldier them do, the boss I go get convict for it as well. So any step where the foot soldier them step, I see them step, the boss step, and them have this law in the United States of America where them bring in bring down mob back in the day, RICO charge. So squad 6ixBoss can get caught up in a Jman RICO where Jman them allegedly dirt Musselman and Fort Lord. So squad 6ixBoss can get caught up in that. So squad 6ixBoss also have federal charge where him a go face November 24th after him doing time in a prison where he can get 5 year, 8 year, 10 year, 15 year. Him have to go straight in a immigration to find out him fate. Them no have to send him back to Jamaica. Them can send him to El Salvador. Them can send him to Africa. Them can send him all over the place. Because by now, we're supposed to know that the United States of America have deal with most of them country we have prison for host for them prisoners. And once you end up at the country, problem did it, because they don't have nothing about humanitarian or treat you like a human or what. Problem did it. So right now, people, it's not a good look for squash 6ixBoss pressure bust pipe. See, if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him shot. But when trouble reach you, you run left Kwaku, you run left Kwaku shot as well. So squash 6ixBoss right now in a danger in life. We see the wife cry out in the letter. Family member write letter to the judge. I ask the judge to have mercy. I beg the judge to have mercy. Pass squash 6ixBoss wife and make the judge know say the man have 5 youth out here and the 5 youth miss them father. See, so that crazy right now. So tell me what you thinking in the comment section. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.